Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is and isn't a advertisement. It's just something that I want to do a recording of, as I just do recordings. I've been drinking KaChava for about 3 years or so, and there'll be a link in the bottom of this, in the description, of how you get a percentage off of the KaChava. But it's really hard to make the KaChava. You can get shakers and stuff like that, and do it that way. I'm just lazy when it comes to that. So the other day I says, hey, I'd rather be able to make smoothies and stuff. And we do have a Ninja setup, but it's just so hard to freaking clean that stuff. And you want to make things as easy as possible. So I went to Walmart the other day and I was looking for stuff to maybe mix this stuff a little bit easier. Well, I found this, as you can see, that Hamilton Beach. And I know other companies make stuff like this, so I decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and get one of those and try it out. Thing, when we go shopping anyway, the wife likes to gets the bottled water. I kind of drink whatever I drink. So with that said, I decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and get I think I paid like $20 for this thing. And it appears to have its own little container. You can just stick it up there, put your stuff in it, mix it, and then take it with you. So here's the unboxing of this Hamilton Beach blender. And nice little, looks like the blades are up and everything are right inside that container. Okay, here's a plug-in. And I know other companies make portable ones that you can charge and go on the go. So this one here, you're going to have to plug into the wall. And that's your quick 1 minute. And I like KaChava. I like the chocolate. I like the vanilla. Either one of them you can go ahead and mix with fruit, and then take it with you. They have a they got a tropical blend now that I like as well. Like so. There's my plug over there. It's small. You take it on the go with you, especially if you're living in and out of hotel rooms or whatever. So, got your measurements. Rinse that out real quick. Now your KaChava standard is maximum is like 14 ounces. So this one's going to 12 and then 14. So you put your water around there. Usually, what I usually do is I put like 12 ounces, and I usually put 12 ounces, and then I go ahead and put ice in the rest of it. So so we'll go ahead and get it's 8. Okay. Now we're going to add we're gonna add some stuff to this as well, but you want to make sure you got enough water in there that's not going to be completely mixed up. It's I'm kind of too close here. So I'm using the vanilla today. You got is your rip bag, and then you can close it. Okay? You're gonna have to search around. It does have a cup, okay, and you want two cups to a maximum of 14 ounces of water. There we go. Now I've done other videos making my own little recipes and doing today. I'm putting banana. I'm gonna have banana strawberry. Probably not gonna be able to, not using a whole banana. And then I got some strawberries. We're gonna see how this chops this stuff out. Probably enough strawberries. I'm gonna go ahead and cover on it. Let me rinse it off real quick. Now, of course, this one here I didn't. I'm going right after making the with some stuff in it instead of just being able to. See how shaken up that's gonna be. Oh, we got enough extension cord here. Alright, I'll move things around. Alright, so I just moved it. Now, as you can see, off to the right hand side is a big Ninja. And we do have a Ninja chopper as well. So that has it does have a smaller container. Okay, there's the container for the Ninja chopper. And of course, it's got a really big system there. And a lot of times I just drink it right out of the right back in. But in fact, I think the Ninja chopper is like $24. So, but we're gonna. All right, so. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Let's see. Get this. Oh, yeah. Okay. Smell that motor kicking in there. All those little bearings. Okay, so it dropped down a little bit. Now, I think I'm gonna do is put some ice in here real quick. All right, let's put some ice in here. We are almost right to the top on that. So with, I think I'm putting in 14. I have to put 14 ounces. I think right around 13 or 14 ounces, and then of course whatever you're going to put in it. Okay. We're good. Careful, freaking blow this all over the counter. Take the counter off. Cover's on there good. I just got a little bit of KaChava that didn't get processed. Might be able to. Jeez, the cover's on there. We get a spoon and then get that moved around. I don't know if I can't get the cover up, and I'm gonna freaking all over the place if I don't. So with that said, figure out what this is still left or right. So that's the directions on the cover here. It's sealed. It's not. It appears that it's not. It's not going to be leaking, so you can take it wherever you want. And shake it too. Oh! There's wet. All right. Which way does that go? It has to have a little bit of. I guess it slides back. Yeah. Okay. It's a slider. The top slides back. That's pretty creamy. Yeah, decent. Yeah, I like it. All right. So that was using that was like 13 out of 14 ounces of water, half a banana, and like six pieces of cut up strawberries, and of course the vanilla blend of KaChava. And I've also got they just came out with this probably about a year ago, and that's the coconut. I don't know how to pronounce that. Acai, and it's really good because I like coconut. So basically, it's a coconut with vanilla, coconut blend with vanilla, and of course you can add stuff to that. So you can have, banana coconut, or we usually get the whole. How am I saying? The whole, instead of, sometimes we get chopped up pineapple, Jesus, and sometimes we get a whole pineapple and we cut it up. So that wouldn't be a bad recipe. It would be putting the pineapple in with the coconut as well. Well, coconut and banana and strawberries. That might be an awesome blend there. So, all right, so thanks for watching. This was the unboxing of the Hamilton Beach personal blender, and using it for the KaChava blend of superfoods. There will be a link in the description, and you can get a percentage off on the KaChava. So thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next Dana's Vlogs.